Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display sale price before regular price in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. By default, regular price show before sale price. Now go to single product page. Also you see same format. So we are going to move position and we are going to display sale price before regular price in single product page and in WooCommerce archive pages. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to swap regular price and sale price by using this custom code. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Snippet created and saved. Go to shop page, refresh the page, go to single product page, refresh the page, back to shop page, and then you see layout change. Now sale price display before regular price. Now you see, now go to single product page and then you see price format, sale price show before regular price. Now go to another product and then you see same price format, back to shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.